The Océ Arizona 1300 series offers quick, reliable, and low-maintenance true flatbeds. They provide the optimum in print quality and versatility for both rigid and flexible media applications. Enjoy an incredible breadth of application opportunities, instant-on capability, and self-learning technology that helps you leverage your expertise. Design complex jobs once, easily adapt and repeat to save time on future projects. The new Océ Arizona 1300 series is designed to serve the versatile printing needs of print providers who require large production capacity. Its basic configuration is easily upgraded to include features such as roll media and additional ink channels, including our brightest white UV ink ever. The Océ Arizona 1300 series is ready when you are. Do more, do it smarter, do it now. The Océ Arizona 1300 series allows you to print on a wide range of media, from flexible to rigid, with high precision to create diverse and exciting applications. Add Océ Touchstone to your Arizona 1300 to create textured applications that literally add an extra dimension to your prints. The Océ Arizona 1300 series stands out thanks to its wide-ranging application possibilities. Would you like to print on odd-shaped, heavy, smooth, or pre-cut media? On unusual media or objects such as canvas, wood, tile, or glass? Or even print large images tiled over multiple large boards? The Océ Arizona 1300 series is built around true flatbed architecture for versatile printing results. Edge-to-edge printing with ease for media or objects of any size. Up to 1.25 by 2.5 meters or 49.2 by 98.4 inches with the GT models, and 2.5 by 3.08 meters or 98.4 by 121.3 inches with the XT models. New print modes and enhanced screening give you superior print quality print after print. The option to add light cyan and light magenta inks, our brightest white UV ink ever, or varnish to your ink channels enables even higher quality photo and fine art applications. The Océ Arizona 1300 series employs the award-winning Océ Varia dot printing technology as featured in all Océ Arizona printers. This offers near photographic print quality for reliable printing in even the fastest production modes. Océ Varia dot printing technology uses multiple droplet sizes in every print. The right drop volume is available for each specific image feature. Small drops for fine detail, mid-sized drops for color transitions, and large drops for areas of heavy color saturation. The key ingredient for the Océ Arizona 1300 series print quality is its precision and reliable register. A high-resolution camera alignment system guarantees easy, quick, and precise print head alignment and flathead table mapping. Active pixel placement compensation creates an accurate, uniform print geometry over the entire flatbed surface, effectively making the entire flatbed table flat to within 50 microns. The new LED UV inks are Greenguard certified, so your prints can be used anywhere, even in schools and hospitals. When was the last time you could literally add a new dimension to your work? The Océ Arizona 1300 series can be equipped with Océ Touchstone that consists of two main software components enabling you to design and print textured designs. This fascinating technology offers a wealth of new, pioneering applications that set you apart from the competition. The Arizona 1300 series is simply smarter. Its new Océ Arizona Expert functionality captures your print expertise to make repeating jobs much easier. Next to that, the Arizona 1300 series introduces several new features that make the printing process easier and more reliable. The Arizona 1300 series flatbed printers are part of the well-known Arizona flatbed portfolio and can be adjusted to your specific needs, now and in the future. What if your printer could learn from what you do? The Océ Arizona 1300 series can do just that, with the self-learning capacity of the integrated Océ Arizona Expert functionality. Intuitively design your complex, multi-layered project once and print it. The printer will then learn the recipe for the project, including transparencies and multi-sided printing. The next time you'd like to print a similar application, the printer uses this recipe without you having to go through the settings all over again. In addition, the Océ Arizona 1300 series printers are designed for the kind of easy, reliable operation a busy print environment needs. Make last-minute adjustments at the printer, such as nesting, batching of complex jobs, step and repeat, mirroring, and reassignment of print modes. Media handling too is simple and efficient. Rigid media loading is quick and easy thanks to the pneumatic registration pins. The 6 or 7 zone vacuum system is optimized for standard rigid media sizes, making vacuum masking unnecessary in many cases. With dual origin independent vacuum systems on the XT models, you can load or unload one piece of media while simultaneously printing on another. The vacuum system has a high enough pressure to reliably pull and hold down media during printing. With the Océ Arizona 1300 series, you can add expansions at any time, from additional ink channels for more versatility and productivity to a roll media option for uncompromising print quality on flexible media. With 4, 6, or 8 color channels, you can effortlessly create the exact hardware configuration you need. Add extra ink channels for an optimum color configuration with light inks, or add varnish or bright white ink for stunning, high-value applications. With the roll media option, you can print on media of up to 220 centimeters or 86.6 inches wide, weighing up to 50 kilograms or 110.2 pounds, including thin, heat-sensitive media. This upgrade also allows you to switch between rigid and flexible media jobs without any machine preparation, including safe, unattended overnight printing. The static suppression upgrade kit can also be added anytime you like, providing active suppression of static electricity when printing on hard plastic materials such as acrylic, polycarbonate, and styrene. The Océ Arizona 1300 series flatbed printers are ready to go when you are. Instant printing, remarkable speeds and productivity levels, automated maintenance, and reliable servicing make it the cornerstone engine you can rely on day after day. When a valuable rush job comes in, the last thing you want to do is wait for your printer to warm up. The Arizona 1300 series offers instant-on capability through its LED UV curing system. The new Océ UV inks, which offer superior adhesion and ink functionality over the broadest media range, are optimized for LED curing, resulting in excellent print quality. The Océ Arizona 1300 series exemplifies speed and productivity, delivering sharp, high-key prints up to 50 square meters or 538 square feet per hour, and high-density prints up to 35 square meters or 377 square feet per hour. Even better, utilizing tiny 6 to 42 picoliter drops, this productivity comes with extremely low ink consumption for printers with grayscale printhead technology, less than 8 milliliters per square meter or 0.74 milliliters per square foot on average, including maintenance. Once it is productive, it stays productive. The automated maintenance system offers hands-free printhead maintenance, restoring nozzle function in seconds. Traditionally a difficult color to maintain, the Océ Arizona 1300 white ink system is just as error-proof as the other colors. It is easily cleaned with the automated maintenance system, restoring reliable nozzle functionality. And if an issue should occur, Océ Remote Service enables remote assistance by qualified service technicians, making sure that you receive support as quickly as possible and that your printer's uptime is maximized. To summarize, the Océ Arizona 1300 series is truly ready when you are. Its incredible breadth of application opportunities, instant-on capability, and self-learning technology enable you to realize ideas quickly and without hassle. Do more. Do it smarter. Do it now. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.